This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to the fourth pack of the Fast and Furious car collection, the 1/43rd scale. Look, you can see them. There they are. We'll have a closer look at those. But first of all, we're going to have a look at the magazines. Well, that's second of all, really. First of all, it's free gift time. They have sent with this delivery a nice little folder which contains 3 posters of cars from the collection. I am sure we've got that one. I don't know what it is. It will say down there, won't it? Oh no, it just says Fast and Furious collection. I'm sure people will know what cars they are. I do recognise one of them. That one. That definitely looks like the Dodge Charger to me. I'm pretty sure that is. Just think the front of that sort of. I don't know. No, I'm not a car person. I don't know all of them, the ins and outs. If you do know, leave a note in the comments. I know where that was taken. I'm sure this is one we've seen last time. Yes, this is. I don't remember what it was, but I remember the little pin and the very sharp bit at the front. But I recognised Tower Bridge in the background. So, yeah, very nice posters there. To be honest, I'll put them back in the folder and put them away and not put them up anywhere ever. But the option is there. If I do ever want to redecorate, then I have some posters from now, the car collection, but obviously from other things as well. So we'll go through and have a look at the 4 cars. We've got the Dodge Challenger, the Yenko Camaro, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 7, and the Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider. I'm sure we did the Eclipse before, but the Spider's obviously a different variation of it. So yeah, one by one, we'll look at the magazines and then we'll look at the car. So let's start with issue number 8, the Dodge Challenger SRT 8 from 2011. It's that one. I remember the green stripe in the film. But yeah, obviously other cars are available. Feel free to read the words if that is what you desire. I quite like it in the black and white, or the white and black. That's quite cool. I like that. Yeah, the stripes really do it. I like the stripes on it. So there we have it. Going back, looking at the Dodge Brothers again, obviously probably seen all of this in the other Fanhome when I did the 1/8 scale Dodge Charger. But interesting stuff all the same. So that is that. Let me clear the bench, bring in the car, and we'll have a closer look at it. Okay, the first of the pack today is the Dodge Challenger SRT. It's nice. I like the matte. And I like the fact that it's got no windows and sunroof, so you can really see inside and see what's going on with the dashboard and everything in there. Yeah, it's nice. The green sets it off, but the black is nice. I like the matte black. There we have it with the not the roll bars, the ram bars, the bull bars on there. All good stuff. Now, as last time, I'm not going to be taking them off of the bases because there's not a lot to see at the, on the underside, but it does have detailed underside, but not as detailed as the top side, as it were. There we go. That is that. I like it. I do like that. I'm not sure about a matte, in real world matte paint job, but quite good. It works for that, doesn't it? So there we go. The Dodge Challenger SRT. Don't know what SRT means. Sports Rally Touring. I don't know. It might be, Simon Reed's Tolkien. I don't know. I'm sure you do. Let me know in the comments what SRT means. It's probably in the book, but that'll mean reading. I won't do that. Okay, the ninth car in this collection is the Yenko. I'm assuming I'm saying it correctly. I don't know. Uh, Camaro, I'm pretty sure is how that is said, but I don't know. We're looking at Miami as a place. As at least one of the films features Miami. I think it was the second film. Didn't they drive to Miami to pick things up? I don't know if that's the one they used that car in. But yes, there we go. From 1969. A classic looking car, but quite nice. It's all right. It's a car. It's not my favourite car, but it's a car. It drives on the roads and things and looks good. Yeah, Chevrolet. Obviously, interesting history about those if you want to read all of that. So that's that. Let me clear the bench and bring the car in. And next we have the Yenko Camaro SYC. I don't know what that means either. But there we go. That is that. A lovely blue colour. I like that. That's got a nice finish to it as well. Obviously, again, as with all of these, interior all detailed in there as well. It's a more normal road car, this one, but all good stuff. Still just the one wing mirror on there. Passenger doesn't need one. Apparently, you don't need that. So there we go. But nice stuff. It's got that again, the sort of spoilery bit at the front underneath that obviously something to do with air intake. But all good stuff. Lovely paint job as ever on these. Detail on the lines and everything. Full number plate and details on the back. And once again, just a nice car. It's just an everyday sort of car. I wouldn't be, looking twice if I saw one of these going down the road, unlike some of the others that I would look twice at. So, yeah, there we go. The Yenko Camaro SYC. And the 10th in this series is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 8. It sounds fast. Even, anything with Roman numerals in it's got to be a good, fast car, isn't it? Oh, look at the green. I like the green. That is a nice looking car. It's a bit low down. It's a bit, wouldn't be very good going over speed bumps. But yeah, that's a bit more roadworthy. Yeah, nice looking car, that one. I'll go with one of them. I would happily have one of them. If you want to send me a car, one of those would be fine. That'll be all right. There we go. Star car. Not so much one of them, but yeah, all good stuff. Again, history of car manufacturers in there as well. That is all of that. Let me clear the bench and once again bring in the car. And the third one today is the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 7. Yeah, another nice looking car. Lovely detail paintwork on there. I don't remember it in the film. Sure, I mean, obviously it's in the film, but I'm sure that paint job would have stood out a little bit to me, but I've got no memory of that from any of the films. But lovely car. It is all the same. All the detail in the grille, the badge on the front of the grille. All of the detail paintwork around there, interior as well. Nice rear spoiler. You can't go wrong with these. These are lovely cars. Each one in its own right is beautiful. But the whole collection is going to be stunning seeing them all together. So there we have that one, the Lancer Evo 7. Vents on the front. Oh, I like it. I like it. I would happily drive one of those. So if you want to get me a car, one of them, that'd be lovely. Thank you. See you soon. One more to go. And the last one, the 11th car and the 4th in this delivery is the Eclipse Spider. I don't know. Again, we're looking at the films in detail, some of those. Interesting stuff. I've seen the films. I've recently watched the 10th film as well. So I'm all up on the Fast and Furious franchise, except for the stuff that I've forgotten. So yeah, there we go. I like the venting on the side of that. I'm sure it's on that one as well, so I'm sure it's on the model as well. We'll have a look in a moment and see. But there we go. Yeah, I like that. It's a bit more everyday, but it's still, it's definitely drivable. I'll take one of those as well. Thank you very much. Yeah, Mitsubishi becomes a giant story of the company. Yeah, they're quite. Yeah, they're very functional. I've never owned one, but they're quite nice looking cars. Most of them do the job. Yeah, I'd be happy to parasail around one. So here we go. Right, let's clear this out for the last time and have a look at the last car in this pack. And the last one is the Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider GTS. A nice convertible. It's lovely. It's obviously got a, looks like a soft top would be in the back there. It's not actually a soft top. It's just, you know, attached. But there we go. Look at the detail and paintwork on there. That is amazing. I'm assuming it's not a decal. I don't know. I can't tell. May can't see that being hand painted though, can you? Really? No. It does indeed, as in the magazine, have the vent sort of detail on the side there. I do like it. I don't like the colour personally. If I was going to get one, I mean, if it's free, I'll have it, but I'd rather go for a more neutral colour. I don't mind the design and the styling, but yeah, not a big purple car fan. But that is nice. Again, I don't remember it from the films. Oh, look, square steering wheel. That's very strange. Yeah, all the detail in the interior, and especially on this one, because you can see it all. Cup holders and everything in there. That is lovely. That is probably my favourite of the pack. The Challenger is a close second. I like the look of that. But that as a car, yeah, not much good in my climate in UK for a convertible, but occasionally I drive it. I do like that. And that is the last look at this month's pack. This delivery is now done. I shall put these aside with the others all the sort of stacked up neatly, because the boxes are all designed to be stacked. So you can have them, you know, sort of displayed. You might need to do some sort of lighting to see, you know, bits that are underneath, but it works. So I shall put these aside with all of the others and look forward to the next issue, the next delivery, when we get some more cars. I don't know what's coming. They don't tell me what ones are going to be featured in which. It would be nice to have a breakdown. I'm assuming it doesn't. I've not read all the words in the magazine, but it would be nice to have a, you know, this is the car from whichever film where it featured. But it's just an excuse to go back and watch the film and see where some of my favourite cars appear in them, I guess. I might go and do that. Yeah, I'll go and do that. I'll see you later. I'm just gonna go and watch another 10 Fast and Furious films again, just to catch up and find out where all these cars feature. But for now, that is that. I shall see you next time for more of this. There are other part work videos coming out very soon. In fact, every day. So I shall see you for one of those shortly. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now. Little wave because I'm close up camera. Bye bye.